How to fix Stremio add-ons not working. So open up your Stremio application or your Stremio client, and then at the left portion of your screen, you should be able to see puzzle icon that says add-ons. So this is where you can actually add your preferred add-ons, if it's either through a community add-ons for a movie series channel or other. Now, the very first troubleshooting step that you can do is, of course, uninstall the current add-on that you added and then reinstall it back and check if it is already working or not. Please also do make sure that your current internet connection is stable and have at least a full signal bar from here. If not, that could also be the reason why your add-ons is crashing or not working. So the moment you open up your Streamio client and the very first time, you should be able to see a pop out right here below that says a new version of Stremio is available. You just have to simply hit on install now, or it will automatically update the Stremio app. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix Stremio add-ons not working.